Hello, today we're working on problems 28 through 30. So for this first problem, we are going to actually use u substitution. We'll say that u equals our x squared. Again, if you wanted to, you could have just separated this out, but u substitution works. So we'll say 4u squared plus u plus 1 equals 0. We cannot factor this, so we'll actually have to do the quadratic formula. So we'll have u equals -1 plus or minus the square root of 1 squared minus 4 times 4 times 1, all over 2 times 4. So when we simplify this down, we'll have u equals -1 plus or minus I square root 15 over 8. And now, because that is just going to be the x squared, that means that we're going to take, so x squared equals that -1 plus or minus I square root 15 over 8. It's 15 right there. And so we'll just take the square root of that, and we'll say x equals plus or minus. Oh, sorry, off the screen a little bit. We'll have x equals plus or minus that mess. For number 29, we need to get this natural log by itself. So we'll subtract 7, divide by 10. We'll have natural log of 4x minus 1 equals 3/2. We'll take our snail log, we'll have e to the 3/2 equals 4x minus 1. Add our 1, divide by 4. X equals e to the 3/2 plus 1 over 4. And our last problem today is problem 30. So again, this is going to be that u substitution. We'll say u equals that log of 4, or log base 4 of x plus 1. So we have 6u squared plus 5u minus 6 equals 0. We can factor this into 3u minus 2, 2u plus 3. And we're going to say that equals 0. So u can either equal 2/3 or u can equal -3/2. We're going to plug those back in to solve for x. So we'll have 2/3 equals log 4 x plus 1 and -3/2 equals log base 4 of x plus 1. Then we can go ahead and use our snail log for both of these, and we'll have 4 to the 2/3 equals x plus 1, and 4 to the -3/2 equals x plus 1. You'll subtract 1 from both sides. X equals either 4 to the 2/3 minus 1, or x will equal 4 to the -3/2 minus 1. And that is your answers for tonight. If you have any questions, please reach out. Otherwise, have a good night, and we'll see you tomorrow.